All right, this is Dustin with Square One Solutions. I'm here to perform a repair test on Jose Cabala, claim number 1410112. I'm going to be doing it on this wind crease shingle here. There's another one here also, but I can't do that one because then we'll have to remove ridge cap at the moment. All right, now I'm about to nail it down, but as you can see, there's already a crease here from this shingle, and this one right here has a tiny crease right here already. So I want to continue this one. As you can see, there's the crease on this with a light swipe. A lot of the granules are falling off. Crease there also.